Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Atlas Credit Card by Atlas, designed for people with little to no credit history, those rebuilding credit, or anyone who wants the benefits of a credit card without the risk of interest or debt. This video is packed with everything you need to know, from features and pricing to the pros, cons, and if it's the best for you in 2025. Let's get started. What makes Atlas special is that it blends both unsecured and secured credits, offering rewards, credit building tools, and no interest, even if you carry a balance. Yes, you heard right, no interest ever. Instead of a hard credit check or lengthy paperwork, all you need is to link a bank account, and Atlas gives you a spending limit you can afford based on your cash flow. It's a frictionless 2-minute online application, no income proof, no history required. Within weeks of approval, they report your account to all 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, so you're actually building credits while you use the card. On average, users see a 50-point boost in their credit score after a year of on-time payments. Now let us talk about the main features of the Atlas credit card. 0% APR with Smart Pay. Atlas never charges interest, even on carried balances. They use Smart Pay to automatically pay down your balance multiple times a month to avoid large balances and keep utilization low. This feature helps you build credit without debt, which is perfect for disciplined spending. High approval rates and no credit checks. Approval rates are around 95 to 98%, which is significantly higher than the approximate 16% for students with traditional cards. No hard pull, no income verification, just identity check and linked bank account. Rewards program. Up to 3% on essentials like gas, food delivery and cafes. Up to 10% at 50,000 retailers and more. And there are lucky swipes offer up to 100% cashback randomly. Premium features. Virtual cards, which includes single-use and trial cards. Subscription manager. Early paycheck access and even tax file assistance bundled in. Cell phone insurance up to $500 per month, extended warranty, car rental coverage and travel assistance all included. Security and bank partnership, bank level security, played for secure connections, and partners include Academy Bank, Veridian Credit Union, and the card is issued by Patriot Bank under MasterCard license. Instant transaction alerts, one-tap card locking, and 2-factor authentication, as well as 24/7 fraud monitoring. Now let us talk about the pricing. There's an annual payment of $89 per year. Now, for this payment, you get a 12-gram metal card, rent reporting feature to build credit faster, priority supports under 15-minute wait times, platinum tier rewards, and unlimited virtual cards. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Atlas credit card? First, the pros. No interest ever. Smart Pay prevents debt. High approval, even for zero or poor credits. Robust rewards, especially on everyday categories. Comprehensive perks, bundled elegantly. It builds credit fast with average of over 50 points per year. And transparent pricing, there are no hidden fees. How about the cons? You pay a membership fee of $89 per year or $8.99 per month. Spending limit depends on your bank linked balance and may be lower than traditional credits. Only virtual and metal physical cards, so some may miss classic plastic. It is not available in every state or jurisdiction. So, is the Atlas card worth it in 2025? If you're looking to build or rebuild credits, you want manageable rewards, and you want to avoid interest charges, it's a compelling option. The seamless credit building, robust perks, and strong security are all pluses. The $89 annual fee is fair when you consider the savings on subscriptions, the phone protection, rental coverage, and rewards. It's more of a wallet toolkit than a simple credit card. That said, if you are already boasting excellent credit and have a high limit card with top tier travel perks, Atlas might feel redundant. And if you don't want the predictable recurring fee, it might not fit. So here's the bottom line. For beginners, credit rebuilders, or anyone wanting responsible credit use, Atlas is a strong choice in 2025. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Quicksilver One, Discover It Secured, and Petal 2 Cashback Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.